Buying US stocks has always felt like a separate world from crypto. You need a brokerage account, fiat deposits, and if you're outside the US, the process can be even more complicated. But what if you could get tokenized exposure to Apple, Nvidia, or Tesla directly inside your crypto exchange and actually do more with them than just hold them? That's exactly what Bitget's new rToken product promises. Today I'm putting it to the test to see whether it's actually useful or just another tokenized stock experiment. By the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly where I think it fits and where it doesn't.
Hey everyone, crypto never stops evolving and neither do we. Here we uncover the latest projects, exchanges and breakthroughs shaping the blockchain space. From simple breakdowns to deeper insights, our goal is to make crypto easy to follow, exciting to explore and inspiring to be a part of.
Before I start, I want to keep in mind that tokenized assets involve market, liquidity, platform, custody and regulatory risks. Availability may vary by region. This video is not financial advice, so always do your own research and review the applicable terms before trading. Now, tokenized stocks aren't exactly a new idea. We've seen them before, but most of the time they just sit in your wallet like any other token. You buy them, hold them, and that's about it. What caught my attention with rToken is that Bitget is trying to make these assets actually useful. According to the platform, every rToken is backed one-to-one by a real share held through regulated brokers, so you're getting exposure to actual US stocks, not synthetic IOUs. On top of that, they're designed to earn dividends, reflect stock splits, and even be used across Bitget's trading ecosystem. That's what we're testing today. Let's start with the basics. rToken is Bitget's tokenized US stock product. Instead of opening a traditional brokerage account, you can access hundreds of popular US stocks and ETFs directly from your Bitget account. That includes companies like Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, and many more. The important part is how these tokens are structured. According to Bitget, each supported rToken is designed to be backed one-to-one by the corresponding underlying stock, or ETF. That means the value follows the underlying stock, and corporate actions like dividends and stock splits are reflected as well. According to Bitget, there are already more than 500 tokenized stocks and ETFs available. For anyone already active in crypto, this creates an interesting bridge between traditional investing and digital assets. Instead of managing separate platforms for stocks and crypto, both can exist within the same ecosystem. Alright, enough theory, let's actually try it. Inside Bitget, I'll head over to the rToken section and pick one of the biggest companies in the market. Let's go with Apple. The interface feels familiar if you've traded crypto before. I can see the price chart, the order book, and the available trading options. I'll place a market order and buy some Apple rTokens. The order fills almost instantly, which is exactly what you'd expect from a smooth trading experience. From here, I can simply hold the position like I would with a normal stock, while still staying entirely inside the Bitget ecosystem. What's interesting is that this doesn't feel like using a separate brokerage account. Everything, from crypto balances to tokenized stocks, is managed in one place, making the experience much more seamless if you're already a crypto trader. At this point, buying the stock isn't the most impressive part. The real difference comes next. This is where rToken starts separating itself from most tokenized stock products I've seen. Normally, when you buy a stock, your capital remains invested in that position unless you sell it or use services that allow you to borrow against it. You own the stock, you wait for the price to move, maybe collect dividends, and that's the end of the story. With rToken, Bitget is trying to make that same asset work a little harder. One of the ideas Bitget emphasizes is capital efficiency. Their slogan is "One rToken, triple the play." Instead of simply holding a tokenized stock, eligible rTokens can also be used as collateral for certain trading activities while you continue maintaining your stock exposure. Depending on the product and your eligibility, this can let one asset serve multiple purposes inside the Bitget ecosystem, giving active traders more flexibility with their capital. Another feature is the ability to integrate eligible rTokens with Bitget's grid bots. If you've used grid trading before, you know it's designed to automate buying and selling within a price range. Being able to combine that with tokenized US stocks is something you don't usually see on traditional brokerage platforms. And because these tokens represent real shares held one-to-one through regulated brokers, eligible rTokens can reflect dividend distributions and supported corporate actions such as stock splits, subject to Bitget's applicable terms and eligibility requirements. While stock splits are reflected as well. So you're not just tracking the stock price, you also benefit from the same corporate actions tied to the underlying shares. Now let's talk about liquidity, because this is one of the biggest selling points Bitget highlights for rToken. If you're trading rToken together with stock perpetual futures, Bitget's message is simple. Bitget's stock liquidity runs deeper than you think. And if you're trading rToken on its own, they use a similar slogan. rToken liquidity runs deeper than you think. In practice, deeper liquidity can help orders execute more smoothly and potentially reduce slippage, particularly during active trading. Of course, actual execution will always depend on the specific asset, market conditions, and order size. From my experience using the platform, placing and executing orders felt smooth, and the interface responded quickly. That's obviously something you'll want to judge for yourself depending on the stocks you trade and market conditions, but the overall execution experience felt solid. So, after spending some time with rToken, here's my takeaway. If you're looking for a replacement for a long-term investment brokerage, this probably isn't the point of the product. But if you're already active in crypto, tokenized exposure to US stocks without leaving the Bitget ecosystem, rToken offers a genuinely interesting approach. The combination of one-to-one backed tokenized shares, dividend eligibility, capital-efficient features, and Bitget's focus on deep liquidity makes rToken feel more practical than simply holding a token that mirrors a stock price. For traders who want both stock exposure and additional flexibility inside a crypto exchange, it's an interesting option worth exploring. It's not about replacing traditional investing, it's about giving crypto users more flexibility with the capital they're already using. If you'd like to explore it yourself, I've left the official Bitget rToken link in the description below. Keep in mind that tokenized assets involve market, liquidity, platform, custody, and regulatory risks, and availability may vary by region. This video isn't financial advice, so always do your own research and review the applicable terms before trading. Check it out, do your own research, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather own US stocks through a traditional broker, or would you actually use tokenized stocks inside a crypto exchange? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.